the butney. If love is Italy, pain is chutney. If fame is Italy, shame is chutney. Without idli, there is no chutney. Without chutney, there is no idli.